Hi everybody, welcome back to Sewed On Twisted. It's Becca here, and today I am bringing you my new kit preview. This is the first Christmas kit I've made, so I'm quite happy. It's been ready for about, oh God, probably a week now since I printed it out, but there's been other things going on, so I haven't actually had a chance to get it listed. This will be going into my coffee page, like shop, and my Etsy shop in a little while. It might already be up there by the time the video is edited. I'm not quite sure which way around I'm going to do it yet. But the kit comprises of 9 different background pages. Now, what I tend to do here is, if I show you these two, I've tried to kind of keep it traditional, but using like slightly non-traditional sort of colours and stuff, not the sort that you see massively often. Hopefully I've achieved that. It's not the only one out there, but you know, I haven't seen many using these kind of greens and blues and yellows together, so hopefully it's something a little bit different. So these are the 2 multi-patterned backgrounds, and what I do with these is I print these out single-sided and I use them to create panels and the like on, you know, things I'm making, folios, you know, that kind of thing. So I print those out single-sided, and then the rest of them I print out double-sided. Well, I print all of them then double-sided as well. So we have here the candy cane and bells, and this is just a plain sort of matching plain background that you can use for printing on the reverse side of things like journal cards, tags, you know, that anything that you're going to see the back of. You can use this, or you can back it with one of these, doesn't matter, whatever you prefer. So I like to put a plain one in for those kind of things, saves a bit on ink, you know, that kind of thing. Then we've got your trees background, and that's the candy cane and bell pattern one, but on the reverse of that one. Then we have this one with the whole Father Christmas and reindeer thing going on, which is kind of nice. I've made sure that I've included some that have got lined paper as well, so using the gold bells and snowflake and the candy cane and bell pages to create journal pages as well. And then we've got your plain sort of centre for you to just add feature pieces and things like that, with the multi-pattern one on the reverse. So that's the 9 different background files. And then we've got, I think it's 8 pages of ephemera in this one. And what I've done is I've made a kind of mix and match here of sort of really bold coloured stuff and very muted colour, because I think they complement each other rather than everything being really bold and it looking a bit too fussy, or everything being sort of, you know, the kind of fade and it all sort of blends into itself. You know, sometimes I think it's nice to have contrast, so I've purposely designed this to be that way. So on this one we've got the journal cards. Obviously you can use them as tags, they don't have to be journal cards. Tuck spots that you could also just use as normal pockets, rather than just, you know, you could use them as you know, just glue down the 2 edges, put things behind them like a tuck spot that way, or just glue all 3, make a pocket. Corner pocket, another tag on that one. This one has got your 4 journal cards front and back that have got these nice designs going on here. So those, I wouldn't bother backing those because I'll glue the backs to the fronts and that would be fine. Then we've got some a sheet of labels with all different, like, just nice Christmas sayings on, you know, that kind of thing. This one is a group of the pockets, so obviously that's just all pockets on that one sheet. We have the obligatory whale tail tabs, because, you know, I can't make a kit without whale tail tabs most of the time. These ones are all snowflakes, so that's kind of pretty. Then we have this one that's got more tags and journal cards, some labels, and another 2 of the corner pockets as well. This was the freebie from the kit. That again, I've sort of made it so that it's complementary whilst not being the same kind of thing, but it will fit really nicely as decorative and ephemera stuff, either tags or journal cards. And then this one is a sheet of ephemera for you to like print on the back of and then stuff into your pockets, your tuck spots, that kind of thing. Just a, you know, a sheet just to get you going. Obviously you'll have your own ephemera as well that you'll want to add to it, but that one's in there as well. So yeah, it's it's a nice kind of sizable kit just to make folios with, or like I say, you know, you can make sort of mini journal, single signature journal, just using the kit, and you wouldn't need anything else other than your cover. I hope you guys will enjoy this one. Actually, I really enjoyed making this one, so I hope that you guys get a kick out of using it. And even if you only use the freebie, I hope you enjoy that, you know. As always with my kits, you may not sell the kit digitally or printed, but you are absolutely welcome to create journals, folios, that kind of thing, make those and sell those. That's absolutely fine, as long as you're not doing it on a mass basis. But if you want to make, you know, sort of 5 or 6 and sell them, feel free, not a problem at all. But if you're unsure about anything, obviously just get in touch. You guys know I'm always happy to help if you've got any questions or anything like that. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy this one, and I will make a tutorial using this one hopefully in the coming week. So hopefully I can see you guys there for that one, and in the meantime, take care guys, and happy crafting.